Hi guys, wagwan. Today, as you can see in the title, I'm gonna make some Rasta pasta. But guys, I'm gonna make it a bit different. I'm mostly gonna use coconut milk, okay? So these are all of my ingredients that I'll be using. Here I have half of onion that I cut, sweet pepper, half. I have the red, as you can see, yellow and green. 1 tablespoon of my jerk seasoning. These are all of my other seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of my complete seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm also gonna add onion and salt seasoning all together, and that's 1 teaspoon. That's my pasta right here, and you can use as much as you like. My jerk with seasoning, and that's 1.5 tablespoon. You can use as much as you like, okay? Some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped. Some cheddar cheese. That's my coconut milk right here. And guys, I'm using at least 3 cans, okay? And that's my chicken. And guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I'm telling you, this recipe is gonna be so delicious. I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flatten my chicken breast, so when it's in the oven it cooked evenly, okay? So I'm just adding, you know, a cling fling over it, and take one of these food hammer and just, you know, smash it down. So guys, this is exactly what you want. As you can see, it is nice and flattened. Yes. So now guys, I'm gonna season my chicken breast. So firstly, I'm gonna add some olive oil. And guys, I'm using 4 pieces of chicken breast, okay? Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. I'm gonna add the jerk powder seasoning in this bowl. And just gonna mix it, okay, so everything will all combine. But I'm not gonna use all the seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some of it for my sauce. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle this seasoning all over on my chicken breast, just like so. Then I'm just gonna add a drop of browning for color. If you don't have browning, you can also use dark soya sauce, you know, just to give the chicken a bit of color. Then I'm just gonna add my wet jerk seasoning. And as I said, you can use as much as you like. Take my nice clean hand and just rub it all in. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good already. Make sure you flip it over. And you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes, okay? Yeah. So guys, it is all finished and it is nicely seasoned. I'm telling you, look at it, it looks so good. The smell of the jerk seasoning is everything. So yummy. So that's finished. So guys, I'm gonna add my chicken into my baking tin right here. You can also put it on a grill, but I find it when you do it this way, it's more juicy, especially if, you know, you're doing Rasta pasta. So that's why I'm putting it in my baking tin instead of the grill, okay? So here I have some olive oil, and I'm just wiping my olive oil all across my baking pan. So now I'm just gonna lay my chicken. Look at that, guys, nicely seasoning. Just lay it down like so. And it's just gonna add more, you know, it's just gonna make your chicken breast be more juicy, okay? But as I said, you can always add it onto your grill. Yeah, I normally do it on my grill also, but just because I'm doing, you know, Rasta pasta and I want it to be, you know, juicy, so that's the reason why I'm putting it in my baking tin. So in the oven it goes for at least 35 to 40 minutes and 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looking so nice and so juicy. I'm just gonna take my spoon right here and just pour all the liquid on the chicken. And guys, if there's a lot of liquid, you can always remove it, okay? You can also flip it over so the other side will brown up. Look at that, guys. So yummy. Guys, now I'm gonna make my creamy sauce for my Rasta pasta. So here I have my pot on my stove and I add at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil, okay? So now I'm gonna firstly add my garlic because my pot is all heated up. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 10 seconds, okay? Mix it all in. So after 10 seconds, I'm just gonna add my onions. So now that I add my onion, I'm gonna leave it, guys, to saute for at least 15 to 20 seconds, okay? Then I'm gonna add my sweet peppers, aka bell peppers. Just gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 15 seconds, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna add my seasoning just after 15 seconds. I'm gonna add some seasoning, as you can see. I won't add everything. I'm gonna leave at this amount. I'm gonna mix it all in. So guys, my stove is on a low heat. Now I'm gonna add my coconut milk, and guys, this is at least 4 cups, okay? You want to mix it as you're adding it. It looks so good already. Normally I will add mostly heavy cream, but today I'm gonna add, you know, mostly coconut milk. But I'm also gonna add some heavy cream also, but I won't add a lot. So I'm gonna add some of my jerk wet seasoning, at least ½ teaspoon, because I don't want it to be, you know, so spicy. That's it. Then I'm gonna add all my seasoning that leave back. I'm gonna add some of my jerk powder seasoning, at least ½ teaspoon. And you can always taste it, guys, to your liking, okay? If you need any more salt, any all-purpose seasoning, you can always add. I turn my stove a bit more higher. I scrape down the seasoning. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my heavy cream, but I won't add a lot, okay? I'm gonna add at least ½ cup, and that's it. And the heavy cream is just gonna, you know, allow it to be, you know, more creamy. I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 2 minutes, okay? Then I'm gonna add my cheese. So guys, it has come to a boil. And now I'm gonna add my cheese, okay? You can also use Parmesan cheese. And the cheese is just gonna allow the sauce also to thicken up, yeah. So guys, now that I add my cheese, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes, okay? Yes. So now guys, I'm gonna cook my pasta. So to my pot, I add some hot water. And I'm gonna cook my pasta, guys, for at least 12 minutes, okay? Try not to overcook it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna also add some of my jerk powder seasoning, at least 1 teaspoon, okay? Just to give it some flavor. Give it a stir. I'll cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, it has come to a boil. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some cornstarch just to give it some thickness, okay? Yes. I think the Parmesan cheese add more thickness to the white sauce instead of the normal cheese. So I'm just gonna add some, you know, cornstarch just to thicken it up a bit, okay? And I'm adding at least 1 spoon. Give it a stir. I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. So guys, as you can see, it is getting nice and thick from I add the cornstarch. So yummy, so nice and so creamy and so flavorful. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my chicken, okay? You can always cut it in whatever size you preferred. I'm telling you guys, it looks so good and it smells amazing. Super, super delicious. It is nice and so juicy. Just like so. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna firstly add my chicken onto my creamy sauce, just like so. Just gonna mix it all in. I'm telling you guys, it looks so delicious. So now this is the fun part. I'm gonna add my pasta. Make sure that you drain off all the water. So now that I add my pasta, I'm just gonna mix it all in. Look at that, guys. So delicious. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, guys. Absolutely delicious. So nice, so creamy. Guys, you want to make sure that everything is all combined, okay? I'm just gonna add some more of my chicken on top. So guys, I'm gonna leave it for at least 3 minutes on a medium heat and it is ready, good to go. I'm telling you, it's looking so delicious and so mouth-watering. I'm gonna plate it all up. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. It looks so delicious, so nice and so creamy. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. And guys, I have some chicken leaf back, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add them on the top like so. So guys, this is how I make my Rasta pasta. Don't forget, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. So yummy. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love. So good.